If you just started trading or you've been doing it for a while, you've probably heard the term technical analysis. But what exactly does it mean? Today, we'll break it down for you. What technical analysis is, where it started, and how it's different from other types of market analysis, and why you need to learn it if you want to become a trader. So, what is technical analysis? In simple terms, it's the study of historical price moves to forecast future price movements. Think of it as being a market detective, analyzing past prices to guess where they might go next. But don't think because you're doing technical analysis, you're going to be in front of a computer staring at charts the whole day. The whole purpose of technical analysis is to identify where the trend is and in what direction the market is moving so we can go with that direction in the earliest stages possible. You see, markets tend to repeat themselves, and by studying past actions, we can get a pretty good idea of what might happen in the future. You might be wondering where or how technical analysis started. Well, believe it or not, technical analysis has been around for a long time. We're talking hundreds of years. It started in the 17th century in Holland, where traders would create graphs on changes in the prices of their stocks on a piece of paper. This was the first step toward what we call technical analysis. In the 18th century, Japanese rice traders developed what we now call candlestick charts. In the 19th century, a journalist named Charles Dow introduced some of the first principles of modern technical analysis, and therefore he was considered the father of technical analysis. He believed that the markets move in waves, and these waves could be studied to predict future trends. While technical analysis focuses on charts and patterns, fundamental analysis looks at a company's financial health and the economic factors. It's about seeing the big picture, like a company's earnings and management, to decide if a stock is worth buying. Think of it this way. A fundamental analyst is like an investigator who's trying to find out who's the CEO of a company, or what did he post recently on social media to understand their vision or any recent developments that could affect the company. Beyond that, the fundamental analyst is diving into the company's financials. They would examine their income statements and cash flow reports to see how the company is performing. Technical analysts focus only on price action, believing that everything you need to know is already reflected in the price. And that's why the three tenets of technical analysis are: everything is in the price, history repeats itself, and price move in trends. For just $5 a month, you get access to 8 high-quality educational videos every month on different aspects of technical analysis, weekly video answers to your most pressing questions, and special discounts on our products and services. If you're serious about trading, this is a no-brainer. Join Technical Analysis Institute Plus for $5 a month. If you want to trade, here are 3 reasons why you must learn technical analysis. 1. Understanding market behavior and trends. Technical analysis is about understanding market behavior. Markets are driven by the actions of buyers and sellers, which show up in price movements. By studying past prices, you can spot patterns and trends that might indicate where the market is headed. 2. Enhances risk management. Trading always involves risk, and successful traders need to manage it carefully. Tools like stop-loss orders and position sizing, which come from technical analysis, help minimize potential losses. 3. Providing objective decision-making tools. Trading is an emotional game. Fear and greed lead traders to make impulsive decisions. Technical analysis gives you tools to make decisions based on data, not emotions. Disciplines such as the Elliott wave principle or point and figure, or indicators such as moving averages or the RSI provide clear signals for when to buy or sell, helping you stay disciplined and make better trading decisions. By mastering several disciplines of technical analysis, you can make better, more informed decisions and become a trader that actually knows what they're doing. So, That was a quick look at what technical analysis is, where it came from, and how it differs from fundamental analysis, and why it's so important for traders. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and lessons. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check the link below to join Technical Analysis Institute Plus. See you next time.